Today we're looking at exactly why video descriptions are so important for your YouTube channel to help you grow and reach the audience that you want to. So sit back because we're starting right now. Hey everyone, what is up? This is Tim of the People's Bookkeeper, where we always hit the mark. Make your mark in business too and share it on YouTube. Do that by subscribing now and turning on the bell notification. So one of the biggest issues that I'm finding with a lot of YouTubers, and especially those just starting out, is that they think descriptions don't really make that big of a difference for their videos or their channel. Descriptions are super important because not only do they contain information that helps people find resources and discover what your video is really about, it tells a story and you can really target the demographics and the key things that you want to with a great description. The algorithm also loves a good description because it helps it distinguish and figure out exactly what your video is about so that it can get it in front of the right audience and suggest it to the right people. Your description should look organized and be professional looking. And one amazing way to do that is to add UNICODE to your descriptions. Now for those of you asking, well, what's UNICODE? How do I do that? It's really simple and easy to do. Funnily enough, I'm going to have a link in the description for you to a fantastic website that contains all the UNICODE characters. There are literally thousands of characters to choose from, so you can really create a distinct feel for your descriptions. And one of the major reasons you want to use these symbols is because it helps your information stand out on your description. You can put all kinds of neat symbols in that make your information really pop and stand out. This results in it being easier for your audience to read and differentiate what's going on within your description. Instead of just a giant wall of text, now it looks professional, neat, and organized and really highlights key information. Perhaps you have social media information and you want it to stand out. Perhaps you have affiliate links and you want them to really stand out as well. Or maybe you have a website you want people to visit and that will stand out very well as well and drive traffic there. So let's take a quick look on screen at how to do the UNICODE. Go to the website listed in the description, open that up, and you'll see that you can scroll down through literally thousands of characters, thousands to choose from, and because you can choose from thousands of different things, you really can create a distinct feel. Once you find a character that you really like or you want to use, it's simple. Click on the character and a box pops open. All you have to do at this point is click on copy and it copies it to the clipboard for you. Then it's as easy as going back into your description in your Studio Creator and simply pasting the character code right into your description. As you can see, it pops up on the screen and you now have a really neat looking way to separate your information and make things really pop out that you like. Now that you've pasted it in, go back and find several other types of characters that you really like and start to fill out all your descriptions in the same way so that you create a distinct feel for your videos. The nice thing is that you can take those characters, copy them, and paste them into your new video descriptions so you don't always have to go back to the website unless you want to find another new character to use. The awesome thing with this is it gives your channel a more professional look and feel, and it makes it easier for your audience to view the description and what your content is about. And the algorithm is going to reward you with more views, higher watch time, and more subscribers. My question for everyone today is, how many of you knew about this and have been using it in your descriptions? And have you found that there's an advantage to doing so? Comment and leave your feedback below. Now if you want to make your mark in business, then check out these videos over here. They'll help you grow your business. And if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing. Click my face and you'll do just that. I'll see you in the next video.